Imagine holding a coin that carries not just a monetary value, but a story that echoes through history. A coin that symbolizes courage, exploration, and an unsung hero who played a pivotal role in shaping the early days of America. This is not just any dollar. It's the 2000D Sacagawea $1 coin, a golden treasure that pays tribute to one of the most remarkable figures of the past. But what makes this coin truly special? Is it just another piece of currency? Or does it hold secrets that make it far more valuable than you might think? This is a coin that represents a journey, both in history and in the world of numismatics. It's not just about the metal it's made from or the design it carries. It's about the legacy of a woman who guided explorers through uncharted territory, changing the course of history. Every detail of this coin, from the texture to the mint mark, has a story to tell. Some of these coins are worth far beyond their face value, and if you're lucky, you might even have one in your possession without realizing its true worth. The design of this coin instantly stands out. Unlike the typical silver hue of many U.S. coins, this one carries a rich golden color, making it easily recognizable. But despite its golden shine, it contains no actual gold, just a carefully crafted mix of metals designed to give a distinct look. What many people don't realize is that this coin was created to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar, a coin that never quite gained popularity due to its similarity in size and color to a quarter. The Sacagawea dollar was meant to solve that problem, but did it succeed? That's where things get interesting. The woman featured on the coin, Sacagawea, was a Native American from the Lemhi Shoshone tribe. Her name might not be as widely known as some historical figures, but her impact on American history is undeniable. She was just a teenager when she became a guide and interpreter for the famous Lewis and Clark expedition. Imagine traveling thousands of miles across treacherous lands with no maps, no modern technology, and a team of explorers relying on your knowledge of the land. That was the Sacagawea's reality. She carried her infant son on her back while navigating through rivers, mountains, and unknown territories, ensuring success on an expedition that would shape the United States. The choice to put her on the coin was more than just a tribute. It was a recognition of her role in history, a role that had been overlooked for far too long. Her face, beautifully designed by artist Glenna Goodacker, shows strength, wisdom, and resilience. The reverse side of the coin features a soaring bald eagle surrounded by 17 stars, representing the number of states in the Union at the time of her journey. It's a design that captures both her spirit and the nation's growth. But there's more to this coin than its historical tribute. The 2000D Sacagawea dollar was minted in Denver, as indicated by the D mint mark. Denver was one of the key mints producing these coins, and while millions were struck, not all of them are equal in value today. Some rare versions, errors, and special conditions can make this coin worth far more than $1. In fact, some collectors have paid hundreds or even thousands of dollars for certain versions of this coin. One of the most fascinating aspects of this coin is its composition. It may look golden, but it's actually made of a copper core with an outer layer of manganese brass. This gives it durability while maintaining its unique color. However, over time, some of these coins have developed a strange tarnish, leading to variations in their appearance. Some have a darker tone, while others have remained bright and shiny. This variation has made some coins more desirable to collectors than others. When the Sacagawea dollar was first released in 2000, there was a major push to get the public to use it. The U.S. Mint even partnered with major companies like General Mills, placing these coins inside cereal boxes as a promotional campaign. Imagine opening your breakfast cereal and finding a brand new, shiny dollar coin inside. It was an attempt to introduce the public to this new currency, but despite these efforts, the coin never really caught on for everyday transactions. People found the coin inconvenient for daily use. It was heavier than a quarter and didn't fit into vending machines or parking meters easily. Many people simply didn't see the need for a dollar coin when paper bills were still in circulation. As a result, the Sacagawea dollar ended up being used more by collectors than by the general public. But while it may not have become a common currency in everyday transactions, it has become a favorite among numismatists. Some rare versions of this coin have become highly valuable, especially those with unique minting errors. There are reports of a few Sacagawea dollars being struck on the wrong planchet, creating ultra-rare versions that have sold for thousands of dollars at auctions. The most famous of these are the Cheerios dollars. These were special Sacagawea dollars distributed in Cheerios cereal boxes as part of the promotional campaign. Some of these coins have a unique pattern on the eagle's tail feathers, distinguishing them from regular versions. If you happen to have one of these, you might be sitting on a small fortune without even realizing it. Even standard versions of the 2000D Sacagawea dollar can fetch higher prices if they are in pristine condition. Coins graded MS67 or higher by professional grading services can sell for significantly more than face value. This is why collectors carefully inspect their coins for scratches, marks, and luster before determining their worth. The journey of this coin, from its historical inspiration to its numismatic value, is a fascinating one. It's a reminder that money isn't just about spending. Sometimes it's about history, art, and hidden treasures. Whether you're a collector or just someone who enjoys learning about rare coins, the 2000D Sacagawea $1 coin is proof that even the smallest objects can hold incredible stories. And this is just the beginning. There's still so much more to uncover, from the rarest versions of this coin to the surprising places where they've been found. Keep watching, because in the next part, we'll dive even deeper into mysteries and hidden gems surrounding this remarkable piece of history. The 2000D Sacagawea $1 coin has an intriguing story that goes beyond just its face value. While most people see it as just another dollar coin, collectors and numismatists know that some versions hold incredible worth due to rare errors, unique variations, and historical significance. What makes this particular coin special isn't just the golden hue that catches the eye. It's the hidden treasures within certain versions that make them worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. When the Sacagawea dollar was first introduced, the U.S. Mint had high hopes for its success. They believed this golden-colored coin would replace the $1 bill, offering a more durable alternative that could circulate widely. But the reality turned out differently. The coin faced a lukewarm reception from the public. Unlike quarters, dimes, and nickels, the $1 coin never gained traction in everyday transactions. People found paper money easier to use, and many vending machines weren't programmed to accept the new coins. As a result, millions of Sacagawea dollars ended up being stored away rather than actively used. Despite its struggles in circulation, the coin became a favorite among collectors. The 2000D version, minted in Denver, was produced in large quantities, but not all coins were created the same. Some had minting errors, unique finishes, or rare variations that made them incredibly valuable. This is what sets certain 2000D Sacagawea dollars apart from the rest. One of the most well-known and highly sought-after versions is the famous Cheerios dollar. When the coin was first introduced, General Mills included them in select boxes of Cheerios cereal as part of a promotional campaign. At first glance, these coins seemed identical to the standard Sacagawea dollars, but collectors later discovered a key difference. The reverse side, which features a soaring eagle, had more detailed tail feathers compared to the regular versions. This small difference made them an instant rarity. For years, people unknowingly spent or lost these rare Cheerios dollars, not realizing their worth. But as numismatic experts identified the variation, the demand for these coins exploded. Today, a genuine Cheerios dollar in pristine condition can fetch thousands of dollars at auction. If you ever come across a 2000D Sacagawea dollar, closely examine the eagle's tail feathers could mean the difference between a common coin and a valuable collector's item. Another fascinating rarity in the Sacagawea dollar series is a mule coin. A mule error occurs when a coin is struck using mismatched dies, essentially combining the design of two different coins. In the case of the Sacagawea dollar, some were accidentally struck with the obverse of Sacagawea dollar and the reverse of a state quarter. These errors are exceptionally rare, and only a few have ever been discovered. Because of their scarcity, these mule coins have sold for staggering amounts, with some reaching over $100,000 in auctions. Minting errors don't stop there. There have been cases where some 2000D Sacagawea dollars were struck on the wrong type of planchet, resulting in off-metal errors. For example, some were mistakenly struck on copper-nickel planchets instead of the standard manganese-brass composition, giving them an unusual appearance. Any coin that deviates from the standard specifications automatically becomes a collector's dream. Grading also plays a crucial role in determining a coin's worth. Coins are graded on a scale from poor, P1, to mint state, MS70, with higher grade coins commanding much higher values. A heavily worn 2000 Sacagawea dollar is typically worth only its face value, but one in near perfect condition with sharp details, no scratches, and full luster can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some of the highest graded Sacagawea dollars have sold for premium prices at coin auctions. Proof versions of the Sacagawea dollar also hold significant value. Unlike regular circulation coins, proof coins are struck using specially polished dies, giving them a mirror-like finish and sharp details. These coins were never meant for everyday use, but were instead produced for collectors. While standard proof sets exist, some rare variations, including those with errors, can fetch impressive prices in the numismatic market. Experimental versions of the Sacagawea dollar add another layer of intrigue. Some were struck in pure gold as test pieces rather than the standard alloy. These coins were never released for circulation, but a few have surfaced over the years. If an authentic gold Sacagawea dollar were ever discovered, it would be considered one of the rarest and most valuable modern U.S. coins. Beyond their monetary value, these coins hold deep historical significance. Sacagawea, the young Native American woman featured on the obverse, played a vital role in the Lewis and Clark expedition. Her image, designed by sculptor Glenna Goodacker, captures both strength and resilience, portraying her carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste Charbonneau. This design wasn't just about honoring an individual. It was a tribute to the contributions of Native Americans in shaping American history. The eagle depicted on the reverse side symbolizes freedom and exploration, combined with Sacagawea's portrait. The coin tells a story of courage, discovery, and perseverance. Even though it may not have gained the widespread circulation initially intended, it remains an important piece of U.S. coinage history. For collectors, the thrill of finding rare versions of the 2000 Sacagawea dollar continues. Whether it's searching through rolls of coins, examining old collections, or spotting an overlooked gem at a flea market, the potential to uncover a valuable piece is always there. Many of the most valuable coins discovered today were once thought to be ordinary. The next time you come across a Sacagawea dollar, take a closer look. You might just be holding a hidden treasure. The 2000 Sacagawea $1 coin holds an incredible story, one that blends history, artistry, and unexpected rarity. While millions were minted, only a select few hold extraordinary value due to errors, variations, and unique production choices. These hidden gems have turned ordinary-looking coins into highly sought-after collectibles, sometimes fetching thousands of dollars at auction. When it was first released, the Sacagawea dollar was meant to be a game-changer. The U.S. Mint aimed to create a durable, visually striking alternative to the paper dollar, believing it would be widely used in everyday transactions. But despite its golden sheen and smooth design, the coin struggled to gain popularity. People simply preferred paper currency for convenience, and businesses didn't widely adopt the coin. Instead of becoming a mainstay in commerce, many Sacagawea dollars ended up in vaults, forgotten and untouched. However, what seemed like a failed attempt at replacing the dollar bill became a jackpot for collectors. The 2000 Sacagawea dollar, minted in Denver, produced a staggering number of coins, yet not all of them were ordinary. Some carried errors and peculiarities that would later make them incredibly valuable. Among the most famous of these rare coins is the Cheerios dollar. As part of a marketing campaign, General Mills included a limited number of Sacagawea dollars in specially marked boxes of Cheerios. Most people who received these coins spent them without a second thought, unaware of their hidden value. Years later, collectors discovered that these particular Cheerios dollars had a unique design variation, a more detailed set of tail feathers on the eagle on the reverse side. That small difference turned them into numismatic treasures. Today, an authenticated Cheerios dollar in pristine condition can command thousands of dollars. Another mind-blowing rarity in the Sacagawea series is the mule coin. This error resulted from an accidental combination of two different coin dies, one from the Sacagawea dollar and the other from a state quarter. Only a few of these extraordinary error coins exist, making them one of the rarest modern U.S. coins ever discovered. Some have sold for well over $100,000 at auction. The sheer uniqueness of a coin blending two completely different designs makes it a legendary find for collectors. The Sacagawea dollar also has its share of off-metal errors, where some coins were struck on the wrong type of planchet, while the standard composition includes manganese brass. Some rare examples have been found struck on nickel or copper planchets. These off-metal errors create a distinct look and feel, making them easy to spot for those who know what to look for. Because they are so rare, they carry a hefty price tag in the collector's market. Beyond minting errors, the condition of a coin plays a massive role in its value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor, P1, to mint state, MS70, with MS70 representing a perfect coin with flawless surfaces and full luster. While most worn Sacagawea dollars are worth only their face value, a near-perfect example with strong details and no scratches could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Many collectors focus on finding high-grade versions of the 2000D Sacagawea dollar to add to their collections. There's also a fascinating world of proof coins.